Hello students, welcome back to my channel Toppers Education Center. I hope you all are good. Today I will teach you about one of the prominent writer of Indian English literature who also known as humanist writer Mulk Raj Anand. So let's start. He was born on 12th December 1905 in Peshawar, Pakistan. Died on 28 September 2004 in Pune. Mulk Raj Anand was also known as Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens was English writer and social critic. He was friend of E.M. Forster, George Orwell, Picasso. He was also chairman of Lalit Kala Academy and honored with Sahitya Akademi Award in 1971. Sahitya Akademi is a literary honor in India which is given for the most outstanding book in literary work. Mulk Raj Anand was honored with the third highest civilian award Padma Bhushan in 1967. He also received International Peace Prize in 1953. Let's come to the next point. He basically do the depiction of life based on the poor caste in the Indian society. Students, he had seen the discrimination with the lower caste and the poor people around him. So we can see the basic theme of his writing based on poor and the lower caste suffering and the struggle with the life. Mulk Raj Anand books based on impoverishment. The meaning of impoverishment is a process of becoming poor, exploitative, misfortune. Some of the most famous work of Mulk Raj Anand: Untouchable, which was prefaced by E.M. Forster and published in 1935. Students, this novel established Anand as one of the India's leading English author, and his aunt experience inspired him to write this novel when her aunt had a meal with Muslim woman and she was treated as an outcast by her own family. Friends, in this novel, Anand revolves around the argument of eradicating the caste system. The main character of this novel is Bakha, a young sweeper who is untouchable. The Village, which was published in 1939. Friends, this book was the first trilogy that includes Across the Blackwater and The Sword and the Sickle. The plot centers on India's political structure, especially the British rule and the independence movement. Friends, this novel basically revolves around Lal Singh, a peasant in the Punjab. Kuli, which was published in 1936. Friends, the plot revolves around 14-year-old boy Munnu and his condition due to poverty and exploitation by social and the political structure in India. Two Leaves and Bird, which was published in 1937. Like his other novels, this one also deals with the topic of exploitation of the poor, and it is about the peasant who tried to protect his daughter from a British soldier. Friends, the story is based on tea plantation of Assam, and the book was subsequently adapted to a Hindi film Rahi by Dev Anand. He was the first writer who incorporated Punjabi and Hindustani idioms into English, which means उन्होंने पंजाबी और हिंदुस्तानी मुहावरों को इंग्लिश में इंक्लूड करा. He was also a friend of Picasso and had painting by Picasso in his personal art collection. Friends, as I told you earlier, Picasso and Mulk Raj Anand was great friends. So Picasso painted him and had that painting in his personal art collection. Some other important works of Mulk Raj Anand: Across the Blackwater in 1939, which basically described the experience of Lalu, a sepoy in the Indian Army fighting on the behalf of Britain against the Germans in France during the World War I. The Sword and the Sickle, which was reviewed by George Orwell. Friends, this is also like his other novels. This one deals with the topic of the social and political structure, especially the rise of communism. One interesting fact about this novel is the title was given to Anand was by George Orwell. The Private Life of an Indian Prince, which was published in 1953. Friends, the book is classified as one of the Anand's most impressive and important work, which basically deals with the abolition of the princely state system in India. The Death of Hero, which was published in 1964. He was sent to World War II for working as a scriptwriter for BBC in London. Mulk Raj Anand started a magazine named as Marg, which means pathway, and it is quarterly a Indian art magazine which was begun in 1946. Important novels by Mulk Raj: The Big Hurt, which was published in 1945, The Lost Child in 1934, Seven Summer, a memoir, which means biography written from personal knowledge, which was published in 1951, The Old Woman and the Cow in 1960, The Road 1961, Between Tears and Laughter in 1973. Students, if you want me to explain these novels, please comment down below. Some of his autobiography: Seven Summer in 1951, Conversation in Bloomsbury in 1981, Pilpati Sahab in 1985, Morning Face in 1968, for which he won the Sahitya Akademi Award. He wrote review and notes for Bombay Chronicle. He believed in the theory of arts of life's sake, which means art which is done for the self-need and intention, but not for the audience or justification of others. Some of his village trilogy: The Village, The Sword and the Sickle, Across the Black Water. One of the first Indian-based writer in English to gain an international readership. Friends, as I told you earlier, Anand is admired for his novel and short stories, which have acquired the status of classic of modern Indian English literature. They are noted for their perspective insight in the life of people's impoverishment, exploitation and misfortune. A Lament of the Death of Master of Arts was also one of his well-known work. Mulk Raj Anand got married to English actress and communist Kathleen Van in 1938. They had a daughter, Sushila, before divorcing in 1948. Actively participated in civil obedience movement. He also spent time in Geneva for lecturing at the League of Nations International Committee on Intellectual Cooperation. He also intermittently worked on a project 7 volumes autobiographical novel entitled Seven Age of Men. He was only able to complete 4 volumes, which are Seven Summer, Morning Face, Confession of Lover, Bubble. Friends, that's all for today. Please do check my previous videos, which are very informative for the students who want to crack UPTET, CTET, SET, NEET and some other exams. Please do check and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video informative, please do like, subscribe and share, which motivates me to make more videos. And please do comment if you have any questions regarding this video, or you want me to make videos on any other writers. Please comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Be healthy. Keep studying.